Hello there. My name is Teacher April May. I am 27 years old, all the way from the Philippines. Alright, okay. I have finished my 4 years bachelor's degree in Bachelor of Secondary Education, major in English. Also, I am a licensed professional teacher and I have earned my teaching certificates, which means that I am a licensed and able to teach both children and adults. Also, I have years of experiences in teaching the both adults and children in online and also in actual classroom. Teacher April goals in teaching is that I always make sure that it will be fun, engaging, and interactive. I always make sure that at the very end of our class or our session, it will be productive as it is. I am also a patient teacher and dedicated and committed to my passion. So what are you waiting for? Enroll now, book now, and I can't wait to see you soon in my class. Bye bye. See you.